Hi everyone, my name is Anastasia. Welcome to my channel. So today I would love to recreate a look by May Pang. I hope I'm saying her last name correct. And she is a wonderful and super talented makeup artist. She has many different ideas, and she's really big on YouTube and especially TikTok. Her creativity is just really crazy, really cool, and I would love to recreate her look and see how it's going to look on me. She has no hair and she looks really sophisticated, and I'm super curious to see how it's going to look on me in my case, and I'm super excited to do that. So let's start. So I'm not going to do exactly the same thing. I mean, the basis is still the same what she does, but I would love to do it a little bit different. So first, what I'm going to do, I already put the primer and the foundation. Just I really like it this way because the skin is covered, the pores are covered, and it's the makeup from that on is going to lay much better. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to make my face a little bit more pale, and I'm going to use a Nile hard pressed color palette, and I'm going to use the white. And with a bigger brush, I'm going just to add a little bit of a white to my skin, like a pale white, you know, winter white. I never created this look before, never tried it, so that's the first time. But I envision that with the pale white skin, the lipstick, red lipstick marks will look pretty cool. We'll see how it turns out. Did you guys hear my Pang voice? Oh my god, I can just listen to her, and it's so soothing. It's like, I don't know, her voice is so cool, by the way. Okay, more or less I'm white and pale as a vampire, and now I still, just because I believe this makeup look is a Valentine inspired, still going to do a little bit of a what is it called, a little bit of a, no, I can't talk right now, blush. That's the word I was looking for. Going to do a little bit of an exaggerated blush, like a half shape. The Valentine's Day, right? We have to do something in pink. Maybe a little bit more, wouldn't hurt. It's a quite dramatic look, so I don't think so. A little bit of a blush would hurt. Okay, and now the most fun part. So we're going to put the lipsticks on the face. So what May Pang does, she does it really cool. Like, I've never thought even about it. So she puts the red lipstick on, takes the plastic, but makes a mark, and then like a stamp, it stamps it all over the place. So I'll try to do the same, and we'll see how it works. Okay, where's my lipstick? I'm going to use Makeup Forever red lipstick, the shade 42. Something like that. Okay, let's see if it works. Okay, I get my plastic. Maybe it's a little bit too big. Anyway, and let's see what's gonna happen. Here we go. Okay, I'm going to put it, oh, I don't know where. Let's say here. Wow. Okay, it's working. Well, I guess I just have to work on my lip shape, because this one looks pretty funny. Oh, I guess I smudged it a little bit. Well, it's a learning process. Looks so funny. Oh my goodness. I'll be better, hopefully. placement is really important too. Oh. Crazy, crazy. Okay, so took off my lipstick. I think I'm pretty done with the stamping. What can I say? Placement is super duper duper important, otherwise it can look really bad, and I'm not sure if this looks amazing, but I'm going to work with what I have. And what May Peng does next, I believe she is blending it a little bit. Think I'm going to try to do the same and see how it's going to look. Where is my thing? I'm not sure what to take, white or pink, probably pink. I'm going to use a pink again as I used to use it for the blush. I'm going to use it here on the sides. Well, it's a Valentine's Day, right? We can use as much pink as we want. I'm going to extend blush a little bit here. Okay, and now I would love to put some rhinestones. I think it will look pretty cool. Just add a little bit of a oomph to it. I'm not doing it symmetrical, I'm just doing it the way I feel, just like it's going to look like good or something, so just free placement. Okay, so I added some rhinestones, and now I think it's time to do the lipstick and eyelashes. I'm going to use a black eye pencil. Oh, it's definitely crying. I can't even put anything on. Fantastic. I'm not going to do any eyeshadow or anything like that because I'm going to do a huge fake eyelashes. That's why doesn't matter. It would hide everything anyway. I'm just going to add a little bit of a black in the corners of my eye. Okay. And now I'm going to use the liquid eyeliner, magnetic one, specifically for the magnetic eyelashes. Second is on, so now I'm going to just put mascara on the lower eyelashes. Second one. Now I'm going to add a lipstick. Yes, of course, I'm going to use exactly the same color so it matches. Even though May Peng, I think she used another color, but I prefer to use the same. I'm going to use those little, as you guys can see, whatever you call them, little balls, just to finish up with my look. Hopefully it's not going to spoil it. on my lips. Hey, so this is the look. Oh, yay, look at this. So, I think it turned out pretty good, even though it's not exactly the same as my Pang did, but as I said, she was just an inspiration, and I was really super curious how this look is going to look anyway. So, and I think it looks super cute. I really love the rhinestones. I think it looks pretty cool and fancy, and a little bit even like a masquerade-ish, but I still really like it. So guys, see, and I put a little bit of a, what is it called, decoration on my lips. So guys, thank you so much for being with me. Please like and subscribe, and tell me, what do you think about this look? Do you think it's funny? Do you think it's cool? Do you think it could be improved? Would you wear it to Halloween or any kind of a masquerade party? Please let me know down below in the comment section. And again, thank you so much for being with me, and I'll see you next time. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.